Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here! And today I'm bringing you another Just Like Home playing kit. We're going to be cutting some fruit. And here's the back of the box. I just love these playing kits. In this one we're going to slice and play. I can't wait to get started. We'll just take this plastic off. There we go. And then we're going to take off this plastic covering. Got it! Yum! And here's all of our fruit. Do you guys know what each of these fruits are called? If you don't worry, I'll teach you. And here's our knife. What's cool about this set is the box is actually a reusable crate. We can store our fruit in there after. Alright, so our first fruit is grapes. These are purple grapes. Grapes are a great snack, and in the summer, if you put them in the freezer, they're delicious, and they'll cool you down on a hot day. The next one is an orange. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C. You can either eat them or squeeze them to make some delicious orange juice. I like them both ways. And here's a plum. They're also a great snack. They're kind of tart though, so if you don't like sour stuff, you might want to pick a different snack. Our next fruit is the banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium. I love bananas in smoothies. Normally I peel my bananas, but I guess we're gonna cut this one. Yum! Our next one's a peach. Peaches are one of my favorite fruits. They're really sweet and delicious, not to mention healthy. Yummy! A strawberry! Isn't it cool that strawberry seeds are actually on the outside? Unlike other fruits that have their seeds inside. Here's a pear. You can tell by its shape. It's small at the top and then bigger at the bottom. Next we have an apple. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are great with peanut butter or even some caramel. I'm getting a little hungry. Our next item is a lemon. On those hot summer days, how many of you guys have made lemonade? We just give it a little squeeze like this. Looks like this one doesn't have much juice in it. Oh well. Let's try this lime. You can tell lime and lemons apart because one is green and one is yellow. But limes also can make great drinks. Just like lemons make lemonade, limes make limeade. Let's see if this one has any juice. Nope. Bone dry. So let's do a little recap. First we have our pear, strawberry, a plum, a peach, an orange, a banana, some grapes, a juicy red apple, a lime, a lemon, and here's our knife. Well, this set was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.